Today's sentences list. Sentence 1.
Throw this scumbag out.
Throw this scumbag out.
Sentence 2.
You don't deserve to be respected.
You don't deserve to be respected.
Sentence 3.
You should be ashamed.
You should be ashamed.
Sentence 4.
Please stop it.
Please stop it.
Sentence 5.
Avoid gathering.
Avoid gathering.
Sentence 6.
We'll tell by tomorrow.
We'll tell by tomorrow.